Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're up here at Hysterium Haunted Asylum up here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. The crazies have gotten loose, but we are gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's get in there and get some scares.
Okay. What brings you here? We were coming to see you guys. Me? Yeah, we heard we don't get any visitors.
We don't, not anymore. I've been here since I was 5.
Oh my goodness.
My name's Trash.
Oh, Trash? Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna fit in just fine here.
Okay. What you watching, Trevor?
She said she doesn't have the remote.
I don't
What do you
know.
think should happen? You lied to me. She doesn't have the remote. You don't have the remote. What are we gonna do?
I guess we'll just watch the stuff.
Did you forget the remote or did you not forget the remote?
Listen.
What's your favorite Claire crayon?
Never a pro.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah. Why is it taste?
Like darkness.
I feel like baby 3.
That's a weird concept.
Uh-oh. Somebody's getting rowdy in there. Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
You ready to take a trip down to hell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
That sounds safe.
It's starting!
It's starting.
I
got it.
My personal hell!
Oh! Shoot, what am I stepping on? Oh! There's lots of water. And a mushroom. There's a big mushroom. Oh. Oh, God.
Dinner time!
Oh!
Oh, what's the matter, blood bags? Don't you want to stay for dinner?
No.
Chicken by the looks of it.
Oh, chicken's good. Yeah, we'll
It's been
stay.
a long time since I've had a proper meal.
I think he's calling us chickens, Tyler. Oh, we're going under the skelly.
Still think so.
Oh,
man.
that says wrong way. Oh my goodness. What in the world?
What is going on?
Long live the queen.
Soldiers of the past are within these realms.
Oh.
You will pay respect towards the queen as she is in the next room. Do you understand?
Yes, we must pay. Oh,
say hi
we
to
must
the queen.
pay our respects.
Welcome, my sanctum!
Jesus Christ.
I assume you've come to pay respects to our queen.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Kneel before her.
Oh God. I'm
Kneel
kneeling.
to the queen.
Oh.
Kneel to the
Yeah.
Kneel, Satanos.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
You don't even question who you kneel to.
We didn't.
In the
Oh.
name of our dark lord Satan, this place will swallow your souls with the help of my servants.
Oh my.
Oh, I can smell the sin on you.
Oh.
What are you guys doing here?
Well,
Well,
Did he tell you that?
we're taking a
What did you
trip.
just say?
he said something about a gluten-free.
Hi, yeah.
Oh.
What happened to your shoes? What's on your shoes?
Don't listen to that
Oh,
one
I don't.
now. That's why he's blaming now. Come on, she a witch just like
No, I'm not.
She's a witch just
She's a
like
witch?
her pappy.
Oh.
Happy? I guess he.
Right this one. Come on.
This
I
way?
generally.
Watch the movies Deliverance. Down.
Oh, watch out for the banjo.
Right this way. Right this way, guys. You come get lost out here, we're going to find you. Dead.
Dead?
Right this
Oh
way.
my.
Right this way,
I'm going
darling.
that way.
No, you're going this way, darling.
No.
Right this way.
Oh,
Come
okay.
on, don't make
Oh,
Georgie
God,
wait.
that's really
Don't
foggy.
make Georgie wait.
Oh. Where'd you go? Oh, God. Literally can't see the hand in front of my face. Oh, God. Oh, there's another flap. Oh, there's another flap.
Be
Oh,
careful.
what is that?
Not that way.
Oh. Can't see.
You out?
yeah.
Woo!
What is out there?
customers
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Bees?
Oh,
I did actually.
There. They're
Oh, God.
everywhere. I cannot get rid of them.
That's a different kind of bee.
That's not a bee.
That's a different kind of buzzing. Oh, God.
It says BB on his head, didn't it?
Ah, that kind of bee.
Uh-oh, you guys, you hear that? I told you it would bite you. That thing is mean.
You're not infected, right?
No, not
Okay,
me.
okay.
The one in the
What
back
are you,
is.
huh? Are you infected?
I don't think so.
That one is infected. That one.
Not me. What?
Oh,
you
sorry.
are.
He's trained in multiple ways.
Oh my God.
How you feel, Trev?
I feel pretty good.
Don't let him
Hey.
hurt me.
Mercury!
Drink your mercury, yes,
Oh my
it's good for
God.
you.
Trevor! Woo! Are you good? Okay.
No, we don't have any bones.
They're broken. Freaking hell.
This is a maze. It's
Okay.
amazing. Where did you go?
Oh,
Woo!
oh, what the heck was that?
They're laughing.
We know something we don't.
Oh my goodness. Which way you going? I don't know. That's the wrong way. Oh,
What are you guys doing here?
well,
What are you doing here?
I
taking a
should
tour.
not listen to the voices.
You should listen to him. I listened to him years
It's
ago.
not a good
And I've
idea.
been staying here rent free.
It's not a good idea.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here. I need to show you something. You're gonna love it.
I don't know if I want to follow you. Oh, lovely.
Did you go through?
God. What the?
The shadow is talking to us.
You found it.
Oh, I'm surprised.
Surprise.
Yeah.
No surprises in here.
I don't think so. Oh my God.
I knew that before. No man. No God. No. No God.
Oh, good God.
Hi.
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 Come on.
Did you see him come out of there? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Come on.
All right.
Come on.
What's your name? Carol. You made us look. What was that?
I felt the wind off of that door.
Whoa!
It's nothing.
Having a heck of a time up there.
Oh gosh, that's creepy. Oh, you guys are not okay. Oh, you are everywhere.
Is everywhere.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
You can't keep me out.
I will try.
Welcome. Follow.
Follow? Oh! What the hell? Did she go that way?
Yes. Okay. Knock, knock. God.
Hi.
It's a picking door.
Oh, how I missed you.
Oh God. I don't know if I missed those knives.
He tried to chop our fingers
shit.
off last
He-
time
he
we was
did.
here. Oh, door number 13.
Okay.
I'm about to get a nice couple of you. No, not me.
Oh.
No, this is all silicone. I'm sorry.
I don't like that one.
You don't like
Well,
oh, God.
come on. Come on. You
I
can
don't.
figure it out.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
I missed you so much. Welcome back. Oh, goodness.
I don't know about it.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh. Where are you taking this? 14?
He is.
As you found me, I found you.
How in the hell do you not get lost in here?
How do you know
What do you
he's
mean?
not?
I'm lost.
I said, how do you know he's not lost?
He is lost. It's where they're.
Oh!
Jesus.
Welcome back.
Welcome to Uncle Leroy's Kitchen. What are you jumping so much for back there, little girl?
I didn't see you.
Oh, yeah, no one sees you all the way up there, do it?
No.
Well, it seems y'all done went the wrong damn way, didn't you? Well, it's because you didn't ask me for directions. Now come on this way. You missed a little bar right here.
Uh-oh.
Ah.
Now somebody wants to play with you.
No.
Who?
You were right back here.
Oh, they can shut. That's cool. Like, this is so cool.
Have you seen my eyes? I went them back. All I see is these dots and it gets quite annoying. I want my eyes back.
I don't have any.
Dots and it gets quite annoying. I will take your eyes. I have the brown ones, blue ones, and even ones I sparkle before I step them out.
We didn't take them.
Who took them? I want my eyes back.
It's the guy who took them. He's
I
got
want
them.
them back. Do you have your eyes? Do you have green eyes? My eyes taste really good.
It's good.
Different dots.
That's a good thing.
In Dippin' Dots.
Yes.
Ah, my eyes back, please.
We'll
We
find
will
your
try.
eyes.
Oh my God. No.
Yeah.
I don't want to go first. I don't want to. No. Ah! Ah! Jesus Christ. Ah! My God, it's touching me. Right. Oh my God.
In a while.
No smile.
I asked about like here or
Oh, that's
and I'm like,
You probably shouldn't have that one. That's probably not good. No, oh no. Ah! Oh God, Jesus Christ!
Oh, God.
Oh, wow.
Oh, God.
It's Felicia.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, you!
Yeah, you.
You and I already had fun 2 years ago.
We did. You were not nice.
Oh, I guess you didn't enjoy the cotton candy then.
That was not cotton candy. Woo! Yeah. Uh-oh, what's he got? I don't know, he's got a knife.
Alright, so that was Hysterium Haunted Asylum up here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Let us know what you thought. Do keep in mind that it will be much darker in the outside sections if you come here a little bit later in the evening. We've got some more haunts up here in north central Indiana that we're going to be showing you guys this year. I've got one linked for you right here. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.